Hello everyone, today let's solve the problem number 595, big countries. So what the question states here, we are given a table world. A country is considered big if it has an area of at least 30 lakh kilometer square kilometer, or it has a population of at least 25 lakhs, right? So here we have to write a SQL query to find the name, population and area of the big countries. So the result should be returned in any order. So result can be of any order, right? So here let's discuss the approach first and then write the SQL query. Here first we will select the required columns, means we need name, population and area from the world table. You can clearly see here. The second thing here is we will filter the big countries. We will be making use of where clause. Here we will be making use of where clause to check if see, these are the conditions. So area is at least 30 lakh square kilometer or not, and population is at least 25 lakh square kilometer, 25 lakh, right? So this is what we will check. So then we have to return the results, means no specific sorting is required here. We'll just go with we will check if here in this. So we will make use of where clause to check if these two things, area is at least 30 lakh square kilometers or population is at least 25 lakh, this one. That's it. So the first thing here is we will select required columns, means we need name, population and area from the world table. So I hope the approach is completely clear what we're gonna do, right? So first what we will do, we will start writing the query. Let's start writing the query now. First what we will do, we will select the country name, population as well as the area. So here accordingly with the question, we will select name, nothing but country name, population as well as the area. I'll just go with the population here, area as well. This is fine. From the table world, here you can clearly see here they have mentioned the name of the table as world. So I'll just give here from world. This is fine. So the next step here is for the condition 1 here, country should have area greater than or equal to 3 million. Greater than or equal to 3 million, right? So how can we write that? We have already discussed that one in the approach. We'll be making use of the where clause. No specific sorting is required for this one. We'll just go with the where clause, where area greater than or equal to. So here, so this is fine. So the next step here is or. So I'll just go with the population. This has to be 2 million, right? Sorry, 25 million. So in this case, it has to be greater than or equal to 3 million. And in this case, population is greater than or equal to 25 million. I said this one as 25 lakhs, I think, right? So this one 25 million. Sorry, I said it wrong, I think. Here, we can just write here in this way, right? So I'll just give here 25. This is fine. So here what we are doing here, we are selecting the country name, population and area from the world table. So first condition here is where country should have area greater than or equal to 3 million and our population should be, country should have the population greater than or equal to 25 million. So I hope this works. Let's see. Let me hit the run button. So this is it for the query. Let's see. I hope this works. Let's see. So here you can clearly see the sample test case is getting passed here. So let me quickly hit the submit button. So here you can clearly see all the test cases are getting passed. Means the query works absolutely correct on this case, right? So I hope this is completely clear. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.